Hello guys, I'm Obihim Jannani from Chinese English spoken classes. Today I'm sitting with my two students. That first name is Muskan, second name is Kusum. Both are college students and they would like to say something about girls' education. Girls' education must, but that society will help them or that country education is going according to the girls. So they have some views about this. So I would like to ask first Muskan. Muskan, good evening.
Good evening.
Okay, what's your name?
Muskan Raghav,
Okay, and in which class do you study?
BSc first year.
Okay, BSc first year. Okay, what do you think about that girls' education is important?
Girls' education is also very important for growth our countries. An educated girl can get a good job and can support families financially as well. Girls' education, the empowerment of for women.
Oh, empowerment. Okay. Yes, Kusum. What do you think about that girls? Your name?
Kushum Verma.
Okay. What do you think about that girls' education is important?
Girls' education is very important for all family and all country and world, because girls can like help financial problems and resolve our problems, all problems.
Okay. Do you think that girls are easily get education? They can come out from their houses.
No, it is not.
Okay. Yes, you, Muskan.
Yes, sir.
What is the role of society and country in the girls' education? What do you think about it?
It is very important for girls to read, to take right decision, and it is very important for everyone. We developed any countries, and girls educated makes them dependent and financially strong.
Okay. Yes. What do you think about the girls' education opinion of the people?
Education is very important for our countries, and education make a person perfect. They solve our own problems, and men not depend on anybody. And girls' education are very important for every girls, because education make a girl perfect and smarter, strong, and she not
Okay. She not dependent on
dependent
anybody.
on anyone.
Okay. What is your message about for the girls about education?
Girls, educated women can take good care her children, and educated girl performs every fields.
Okay. How is your experience? Why do English speaking must for the girls? Kusum.
Speaking.
Hmm.
English speaking is very important for every person, because English are help every sector, like a job, financial condition, any problems.
Okay.
English provide the medium
Yes.
to speak and express themselves international world, and speaking come to Danish spoken classes, and speaking much learn.
Okay. Do you learn English spoken?
Yes.
Chinese English spoken?
Yes.
Before it, you don't have any idea. Okay.
No.
Before it, you don't have any idea.
No.
Oh, okay. Now you have idea to
Yes.
speak in English. So girls, this girl is giving you message that go to Chinese English spoken classes and learn English speaking and develop your self confidence. Okay. Anything you want to say? Yes. Yes. Speak up.
At first we are talking about education. Then in education, no matter genders, no matter who are girls, boys, and transgenders, education is very important for every person, and education make a perfect and strongly man. The girls, and mostly girls education, then they are protective and self-reached, and no depend anyone.
So how do you think about that girls are not able to come out of their houses, and that you told about before that they get the remarks from the society. So that you think that by your motivation that anybody would come out for learning?
Yes, English is very important for our
Cause self-confidence.
Self confidence.
Self-confidence.
Yes.
It's enough for today?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay.